So how to use the SellerSprite Chrome Extension Part 3. That's the third video in the series. And in this video, you're going to understand how to use the kind of last part of the extension that we didn't cover in the previous videos for Amazon product research. And SellerSprite is a tool for Amazon sellers. And we've done quite many videos with SellerSprite so far with Yalchin here, our guest. And in the description, you will find the playlist with all our videos so you can really dive deep into SellerSprite and discover how it works. We cover most of the tools. And also in the description, you're going to find the link to a free trial to try it out, test it out, and a special coupon code, HIVOVA, HIVOVA. It helps save 35% off on SellerSprite. And thank you for using the link or using the code. It helps keep the content free. We charge no money for the content, or we don't have any paid courses. It's all free. So it helps to keep us going, and hopefully it helps you, the viewer. So Yalchin, man, good to have you with us today. Yalchin is an Amazon seller, also part of the SellerSprite team. And yeah, man, could you introduce yourself? And then we're going to dive into the last part of the extension. We have something small to cover, but why won't we do it? Let's do it.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Nice to back here. Thank you for inviting me, Vova. It's great always to meet with you, talk, and it's becoming more friendship rather than just a podcast, exchange ideas.
Thank you, man.
Again,
Thank
appreciate
you.
your time and your
Same.
attention to spend with us. Also, guys, thank you for watching. We are gonna talk about some important parts of SellerSprite, how you can use some tools, because SellerSprite has a lot of tools. Like even sometimes our team member don't know, they forget, or they say, oh, even there is this kind of tool. Therefore, we are trying to dig very detailed part. It might be helpful for you, like the grab ASIN or create a link or download the reviews, download the sales. Maybe later you can use, etc. There are a lot of tools. Today is last part of Chrome extensions. We are gonna talk, and hopefully it would help you to grow your Amazon business or find your products or anything. We would be helpful. It's great pleasure for us. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I share my screen?
Yes, please. Let's do it, man. Let's help the
Okay.
fellas.
Okay, fine. Meanwhile, you can say any keywords. I just randomly check this product. Of course, I can even we can select any Christmas product like Christmas tree, like Christmas tree skirt or whatever the things you would like. We can do it. So how we can use SellerSprite efficiently for different tools. Okay, guys, after searching any keywords on Amazon search page, then we can run Chrome extension from SellerSprite. Come here, you can run from here, and you can run from upside, both up to you. You can do it as you like. Which one is suitable for you, you can do it. So firstly, when we run the Chrome extension, we are gonna pull all this data from the Amazon to show you how is the sales, how is the revenue, how is the review, etc. On the left side down, just here, you see there are three dots. When you come over here, you can see copy ASINs, refresh, and the export sales, etc. We can use these tools. Firstly, if you feel this part is messy, you can just click and remove any duplicated products. Actually, we try to duplicate any sponsored product always on the first page, most of the time on the first page. From here, we actually removed it, duplicated product. If there is the second ASIN from same variation, like these guys might, no, actually not. And sometimes from same brand, there might be same variation families, like the same one child ASIN, another child ASIN. You can bring your mouse here in front and you can delete it. If there is any product, same brand, same variation family, you can remove from here. Okay, then it will be clean and no additional products, etc. Now I want to copy all ASINs. Copy all ASIN, or if you add this one, we are going to copy all variations as well. But right now I just copy all ASINs on the first page. Maybe you want to find out who is there on the first page today, and you want to compare it tomorrow to
Mm.
understand who came to market next and who removed from market. Just copy all this ASIN. Then we covered, and we will talk about again one more time. There is free tool from SellerSprite. You come here, you see there is a free tool, URL Builder. Just click it, URL Builder, and then target ASIN URL here, and then put those ASINs here, paste, and then create. Then we have this link, and open now. When we open this ASINs or this link, it will be total Amazon products and no sponsor brand, no sponsor like the video ad, sponsor product, etc. Nothing. And this is the link only the ASINs we add here. It's also part of another tool. We will talk it maybe next time as well. But you see, it's very clean. And no sponsor brand, no sponsor Amazon recommended,
Mm.
no 4+ star, etc. It's very clean. Well, whatever the ASINs we added, those products are here. So it's highly recommend to use if you want to keep very clear, or maybe if you want to just compare you with your competitor, just add here 3, 4, 5 ASINs and keep that link on your Chrome browser to check how it's changing. Okay, this is the first one I wanted to talk. Next one is export. Export is we can export this data to Excel. How is the sales? Everything related to product. Just let's export first one. Export.
Mhm.
And now we are downloading. Actually, we downloaded already. Okay, let's open Excel. You see, we have almost everything related this product. Firstly, we can see product. I hope we can see product images, ASIN, product overview, brands, the brand URL. If you need to see their storefront,
Mhm.
just it went my another upside browser. Let me pull it down. Okay, if you click that link, it's coming here. You see, this is their storefront. You
Mhm.
can see what products they have, what additional products they sold last year. If you need, maybe you can add here. It's under brand URL. Search ranking, you see from here, SFR, search rank, sorry, not SFR, search ranking. It's position, you can understand from here, like position, page one, position one, page one, position two, page one, position five, or whatever. You can save this data to check later where they are, what they are doing. Next one is product title. If you need, you can
Mhm.
use from here, or maybe you can, if you these competitors are same exactly like your product, you can copy all those titles and add to ChatGPT to create like, can you please create a new title for me according to these titles? You can
Mhm.
copy from here directly. Here is we have the bullet points. Everything related bullet point, you can do same like bullet point add to ChatGPT or any other AI tool to say, okay, can you make new bullet point for me? Okay, this is the another URL like and this is the product URL. If you click, it's going to a product detail page.
Mhm.
On this here we have all the images of Amazon products we downloaded from Amazon. You can use it, and at the same time you can add these links to Google Sheet to pull all those images come. It's directly coming from Amazon. Even someone new changed, update images, we can pull and show those images here. Here is the formula, like equal image bracket as an quotation link. We should put that link here. Just pay attention. You put that link between the quotation mark. Put here, and then click just enter. We pull that. You see, when I get bigger, I pull like this one. You can see exactly what's the product you copy. And likewise, you can pull like this. No, not this one. Firstly, you write the formula, then copy all these links and add to Google. Then it's gonna work. All we will pull and show you what's the product exactly. Okay, let's go to next. What if you download what you can see? Parent ASIN, that's the ASIN same with the ASIN we downloaded. Category, if you need, just check your category, your competitor category. Next one is we see monthly sales. Like how is the sales? Maybe even I can wrap this text and show you better. Let's put it down. Yeah, okay. Now you can see monthly sales, how it grew in compared to last month and this one. For example, this decreased by 5% because of no season. It means last month it sold better than this month. You can see a monthly revenue. If there is a variation revenue, you can see here the price. How is the price? Prime price, like if it's different, you can see from here. If they have coupon, you are gonna see coupon here. Maybe they have 20%, 25%, whatever. From rating, FBA fee, we use this FBA fee gross margin frequently. Great, this is coming from SellerSprite. We analyze reviews, and on the Amazon, for some products, we give a grade for reviews, like is it organic review or it's not organic review, etc. You can find out launch date of any product, how many days it has been on the market, find from here. Available days, like you can see, the also listing quality score is according to you have enough reviews, images, price, etc. Okay, and the bestseller, if we put here if you are bestseller, for example, this guy is bestseller, we put here. If you have Amazon choice keywords, for example, this guy, this ASIN has Amazon choice, we put here. If you have climate pledge friendly, we are gonna show here as well. If any badge you have, new release badge or any badge you have, we are gonna find from here. A plus, if you have A plus, yeah, we are gonna say yes, you have A plus. If you don't have like this one, we are gonna leave it empty. So if you have a video introduction, sponsored product, you use sponsored product keyword or not, a brand story you have or not, we are gonna show here. Sponsored brands you have or not, we are gonna show here. A limited time deal if you have, we are gonna show here. It's pretty much the data than the only Amazon we see here. On the Excel, it's more comprehensive. Like Amazon choice keyword or weight, you can find dimensions of the box, and also same time of the product. You can see like a weight and a package dimension, package weight, etc. You can find all this data. Just download the Excel, come here right side and export. If you are gonna download all this data from Amazon, then maybe you can use it later or maybe send to your coworker if you need. Is it okay? Let's go to the next tool, Vova.
Yeah, pretty cool, pretty clear what it is. Like we get a whole bunch of data, which we kind of saw here, but we get it in Excel, and then again, we can feed that Excel into, for example, some large language model, like into some AI, basically to ask it different things. Like, for example, show me the products with the top reviews, or show me the products with the lowest reviews that have very high sales, so we can check maybe some new products that are selling well. And we can basically work with that data and it's all condensed in one file. Okay.
Yes, all inside of one file. You know, guys, it's kind of sometimes difficult to find out all those data into one file.
Hmm.
So it helps us to find everything in one place. Okay, next one is export sales. Here we are gonna export all sales. Like just click it, select the product. Okay, and we have to select the product. I select all of them. Or if you want to select any of them, like two, three, or any product you want to select here and come to export sales. Export sales, click it. Then we are gonna pull all the data of the product previously they sold. Okay, open. Excel is here. Okay. We selected four products. Now we're gonna see these products data like ASINs. Maybe need to zoom in a little bit. We see the product images, ASINs, SKU, URL, product category, title, ASINs that we can find out there like parent ASIN from here. Then sales history like 2026, April, March, February, like it's going like right last
Hmm.
2 days, 2 years, I'm sorry. Last 2 years, how was the sales each and every month? You
Wow.
can find all those data from here to understand what's the correlation, how and what the action I should take. This is helping, especially if you are selling some products, seasonal product. You can understand, you can download, and you can analyze. Okay, last year this time it's February. How is the sales in February? How it's changed? Like you see, it decreased, and this also decreased. This also decreased. It means okay, probably this month and if, April it's decreasing. I need to take some different actions. And on the Excel, also you can see there is different sheets. History, you can find from here to analyze. Also, child history, what's the changing? Child history amount. We can analyze parent and we can analyze also some different if they have variation, or we can analyze child ASINs history as well. Just pay attention on the downside. There are different sheets from same Excel. You don't miss out anything. Okay, guys, now, let's go to reverse ASIN.
Mhm.
Reverse ASIN,
Yep.
reverse ASINs. Here we have. Okay, if you want to reverse ASIN, just click this one. Any ASINs you want to reverse, select from here, like this three or four, whatever the ASIN you want to reverse, select and come here, just click. Then we are going to open it on the SellerSprite inside, and then we ask a question. Do you want to we only get the keywords from selected ASIN, or do you want we bring you all the variations family? For example, the ASIN we selected, like this one, it has 5 variations. Do you want we bring all those variations keyword or not? And if you want, we only bring the bestseller variation keywords. Like maybe there are five beside five other child ASINs, but not this one. Another one ASIN is bestseller among this family,
Mhm.
and we can bring the keywords of only that ASIN. It depends on you, but
Hmm.
normally we select entered ASIN, yeah, selected ASIN. Click it, and then we are gonna get those keywords from this selected ASINs. There are over 300 keywords, and here is the frequency, how many times they used, and what the phrases, etc. You can find here, and we have cool filtration tools like monthly purchase amount, monthly purchase like purchase rate. Purchase rate is conversion rate basically, or you can find word count minimum 3 words related ASIN. It means if we put here, it means those keywords at least mention that all those how many? For two from four ASINs at least rank for this keyword. We can put here monthly search volume at least 200, whatever. You can leverage this filtration and just click. We will keep the keywords according to your request. From here, you can analyze and find out how it's changing keyword search volume, keywords data, etc. Okay, this is the reverse ASIN tool. We covered actually reverse ASIN in a different video. Maybe I can select different products with any keyword you have in mind, Vova. I can search another keyword and analyze another product.
Ceramic cup. Ceramic cup. Maybe we can do a long tail with lead or something. Yeah.
With lead. Okay.
Yeah.
Ceramic cup with lead. We find a lot of products on the first page. Run Chrome extension from SellerSprite. And now we are gonna talk about the next tool from SellerSprite on the right side. We are gonna talk about the traffic compare. It's traffic meaning mostly impression. For example, we find very similar product and then we can compare them. Find out what's the difference. Like maybe let's compare this Yeti and another one. This product. No, they are similar. Actually, they are not that similar. Maybe I wanna find out a similar product. Okay.
Yes.
It seems similar. Select this one.
Okay.
And this one. It seems they are similar, just the color is different. Okay, I selected. If you want, you can select even like 4 or 5 to compare. This might be, no, this is not same. Now I'm gonna compare them to find out traffic compare. Just click it. And we come to another tool, traffic comparison from SellerSprite. Exactly selected ASIN. Now we see the data for all those, all 2 ASINs. If you select 3 ASIN, you are gonna find out 3 ASINs data. Like coffee mug, the first ASIN got 0.9% of total impression or impression from this keyword. But another ASIN, M3T, this ASIN didn't get any impression from this specific coffee mug keyword. Okay, on the right side, there is all the data related with coffee mug, like ABA ranking, monthly search volume, monthly purchase unit. For example, a coffee mug generated 1,741 orders last month, and its conversion ratio is 1.14%. This is the impression. Impression is also like this is coming from Amazon data, search query performance, and over 104,000 the listings use this keyword on their listing. You can find out all the data from here. Maybe this one, ceramic travel mug. You see, this is high rated, high searched, and the keyword. Our ASIN, this ASIN got 10% of total impression from this keyword. And another ASIN, this ASIN got 16% of total its impression specifically from this keyword. So it means, yeah, this keyword is high rated and this keyword is important keyword for these products because you see they are getting a lot of the impression probably and the sales as well. So guys, this is a helpful tool to understand how we can use to understand the traffic, or we got, for example, this guy is selling less than this guy, but for this ceramic travel mug, this ASIN got more traffic than this one.
Mm-hmm.
So we could run maybe ads, or maybe we can track strictly our organic position, why we got less impression from this keyword in compared to another this ASIN, or maybe we are losing some advertising traffic from this keyword. We can run advertising heavily for this keyword. So it's very helpful to compare our product with another competitor very strictly in keyword biased, keyword by keyword. Like our product, another someone's product, but we are comparing in keyword level. Every keyword level we are comparing. If you find your maybe 10 direct competitors, just select from here 10 competitors or whatever the competitors. Better we before talk, create one link, like a very clean competitor link, your
Mm-hmm.
product and your competitor product. Put here, create one clean link, then we are gonna show you only your competitor. Then you can run this tool for your that link, and compare yourself with those other guys. Who is what's it changing? How it is going? And you are getting more traffic or less traffic. What's the you are losing and they are winning? You can maybe catch up, or maybe you can dominate the market with traffic comparison. You see, I just selected several more, and you see we are comparing all of those ASIN with our ASIN biased on the keyword level, each single keyword level we can see from here. Okay, this is very helpful. Hopefully, guys, you check out this traffic comparison tool. Next one, next tool, I would like to talk about the copy.
Mm-hmm.
We can copy the keywords. If you want to use it later, it's gonna copy title, like the copy, or word frequency. Like you see, coffee. Coffee has been used over 60 times or 59 times, 51 times. Ceramic has been used 49 times. Lead used 47 times, etc. You can find out all those keywords used in product title and the bullet point. Yeah, title and the bullet point. So later you can copy clipboard, copy all those keywords, and remove duplicated, add into your backend. Maybe you can rank some the keywords you didn't use on the title or bullet point, or you just keep those keywords and remove duplicated. Maybe you can add on the backend. So this tool helps us to find all the keyword phrases on the listing. Then we can remove duplicated, add into a backend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, next tool we are talking about is add to my list. Something interesting, you see your competitor or your own product, just select from here. Okay, you select the product, any product you find interesting later, you wouldn't forget, come down and find here product, my list. From here, we are gonna add to your list. Okay, you add this product into your list. Then how to find it? For example, you can find in two places. Just see the Chrome extension, then click the My List. You're gonna find here, or you can go to SellerSprite inside. Inside, find the tool My Product List. Click here, the products previously you added into your backend or somewhere. You can find all of them from here. You wouldn't forget any key, any ASIN, any interesting product you found or you see. Just add and forget. Later you can check it maybe later. Okay, last, is there anything else? Let me check. The delete is also something like if you run the Chrome extension, you find some products are irrelevant, you select like this one, and they come down to delete those products from the page. You see, I delete it, and you can see it from we deleted from here.
Mhm.
So you will not see those products. It's bulk delete. So just this is also load more, this kind of the bringing more product. Right now we have only 44 products in the first page we analyze by SellerSprite. If you click load more, we are gonna go to second page, third page, etc. pages to analyze to bring you more products. If you click more right now, this is the Christmas products, there is no more. But if you click load more, we are gonna pull each page like maybe 44, 45, depends on how many products in one Amazon page we are gonna pull you. Right now it's 556. I believe this time it will be like 100 or something like that. You can utilize this tool to bring more products, and the more products, if they are correct products, it's gonna give you more accurate data. This is the tools. Lastly, we covered about the Chrome extensions. Vova, do you have any question or you would like to add something? Welcome, please.
Yeah, we'll mention in the description, there's going to be a link to try it out for free trial to test it out, play with it, see how it works for you, the viewer. And there's also going to be a coupon code, which is HIVOVA, which helps save 35% off with SellerSprite. Also in the description, there are going to be the first two parts of the Chrome extension videos, basically, where we go in depth into kind of analyzing these numbers here, like the sold units, revenue, price. And also we go into the extension on the product page and on multiple product pages. Basically, there's three videos that cover the SellerSprite Chrome extension, probably like 99%. Maybe we didn't click on something, but mostly we try to go through all the things. Of course, if there's any comments, please drop them. And also in the description, there's like playlist with basically other videos of SellerSprite where we go in depth into other tools, except the extension. There's many more. And our goal is to cover them and for you, the viewer, listener, to make the most out of SellerSprite. If you have some will, for example, with product research or keyword research, then you have the tool and we show you how to use it so you can make the most out of it. So it's all in the description. Again, free trial, coupon code, playlist with old videos. And Yalchin, thank you for today, man. I think we've covered it all. Anything else you want to add, perhaps? But I believe we did cover everything. And yeah, our viewers, listeners, again, drop comments. And thank you.
Thank you. We covered almost everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please like our video. It helps us.
Yeah.
It helps others as well because we try to keep everything free. Hopefully you just give the likes. And if you have any question, please let me know. We are happy to help anything. Thank you for hosting me, Vova. Appreciate your time. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, man. Cheers.